In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a change color button in Axure RP. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, understanding how to manipulate colors in Axure can really enhance your projects. So let's dive in and get started on creating a button that changes color with ease. To begin, you'll want to launch Axure RP. If you're already familiar with it, you'll know this is the software where we'll design and prototype our interactive elements. If you're just starting, don't worry, it's quite user-friendly. Once Axure RP is open, you'll have the choice to either open a new file or continue working on an existing one. For beginners, starting fresh might be easier, but if you have an ongoing project, feel free to work within that. Now, the next step is to drag a button widget onto the canvas. You can find button widgets in the left-hand toolbar. Simply click and drag it to where you'd like on the canvas. This will be the basis of your interactive button, so place it wherever fits within your design. With the button now on your canvas, you'll want to direct your attention to the right sidebar. Here, you'll find multiple tabs. Look for the one labeled Style. It's in this section where you'll manage the look and feel of your button, allowing it to align with the overall aesthetic of your project. Now, here's where the magic happens. In the Style tab, look for the area labeled Fill. This is the setting that allows you to change the color of your button. You have a couple of options here. You can either type a specific hex code if you already have a color in mind, or you can click on the color box. Clicking on the color box opens up a color picker tool, letting you visually select the color that perfectly matches your design intentions. Changing colors might seem like a small detail, but it's actually a powerful feature for creating engaging and visually appealing designs in Axure. You can experiment with different colors until you find the right hue for your project. And remember, practicing these steps will only enhance your skills in using Axure RP and help you become more comfortable with other interactive design features. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you now know how to create a button in Axure RP that can change color. This feature is particularly useful for creating interactive prototypes and can help you convey your design ideas more effectively. Keep experimenting with different colors and styles to see what works best for your designs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using Axure RP.